This one altcoin cryptocurrency has just doubled my money in 24 hours. I'm going to show you what that altcoin is, the indicator that told me why I should buy it, one very powerful chart pattern that tells me when to buy these things, and an amazing strategy that will tell you exactly where to take profits and how to make money from trading cryptocurrency. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, I'm going to show you how I found this cryptocurrency. So this is a strategy that I like to call the random snatch and grab. It's just a random thing. You just go onto Coinigy and you click on the GDAX as the market, and that is Coinbase Pro. So anything that is now listed over here on the left is on Coinbase Pro. And Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency bank that exists. It's the largest exchange that exists. So when they list a coin, it tells me that it's going to do something amazing. So I was scrolling down these names and I was just clicking on them, and I look at them and I think, what does this chart look like? Does this look good? So a chart like this, it's very, very high right now, so I wouldn't want to jump in. A chart like this, also very, very high right now. And I fell upon this name, this beautiful name called Phil. Now, I mentioned this in my last video, and obviously you can see the chart has already done what it's done. And right now, when I looked at the chart, when I saw it, it looked like this. So I saw immediately that there were W's on the chart. You can see I've already drawn them on. And here you can see in a line chart, it's much easier to see. So if you click on this line chart, you can see the W's starting to form on this line chart. So I had bought just at the base of that W. It's the most powerful chart pattern that you could possibly find. So number one, we wanted to find out what has been going on with this coin. So I went over to CoinMarketCap, where I look for information on these coins, and I clicked on Filecoin. And I scrolled down to the news section, and I scrolled down and it said that it had just been listed on Coinbase, right? So I already knew that it had been listed on Coinbase because I was in the Coinbase section, but it hadn't had any sort of reaction. There was no market reaction to it had being listed on Coinbase. So I thought that this had to be a time when this coin could potentially pump. And not only that, but it had just put in this W, the most powerful chart pattern ever. So that was another reason to buy. But there was one more indicator that told me when to buy it, and that is the RSI, the Relative Strength Index. So I want to show you this. When you start seeing patterns like this on RSI, where you see W's after W's after W's after W's, and you just keep seeing these W's on RSI, but it hasn't popped yet. The price hasn't respected that pattern. Let me go out of this. And you can see the right here, after all of these W's, the price hadn't done anything. So what did I do? Obviously, I bought it right then and there. I'm going to put this back to a candle pattern so you can see what happened. I bought right here, and you could see immediately it took off like crazy. So why did I take profits right here? Well, this is what I call the sell half on a double strategy, and it's not my strategy. This is the little old lady strategy from Brian Beamish over the Rational Investor, and I owe everything to learn what I learned about trading from them. So feel free to check them out. But this is how it works. When you buy, and you could see right here, I've bought down here at about $25. I know I was buying it in pounds, but I bought it around $25. When the price hits 100%, so you can see right here 100%, you sell half on a double. So the price has doubled, you then sell half. That means you get your investment back, and anything left is what you have left. You're sitting now on what's called a free position. So right here you can see this on the chart. You could see I bought down here, I sold up here, and the price has already come off, but this happened all within one day. That doesn't usually happen in crypto land, so this is a freak occurrence, and I just thought I wanted to share it with you. I still think this coin is a great option to buy. It's still very low in price, but personally I wouldn't tell you to purchase over here. What I would do is say draw a reload zone from the bottom down here to the top up here, And you could see right over here, the reload zone is around $26 to $32. That's where I would recommend jumping into this. Now, this coin is really interesting because it has a great name, it has a great concept, and I spoke about this at the end of my last video where I said what cryptocurrency I had just bought and 10 altcoins to buy for 2021, so you could see this one was a really good choice. I recommend watching that video if you want some more ideas for altcoins to buy. But what they do is they have a decentralized storage network that's designed to store humanity's most important information. But if you look deeper, they're also going to be a file sharing option app. So not only are they going to store humanity's most important information, but they're also going to be used as a file sharing platform. And that's something we know we all use. And the fact that they're listed on Coinbase, and then on top of that, you got those W's that had come in right over here, these beautiful shaped W's, which usually say that the price is going to go up. And if you want an explanation as to why, I can make a separate video about why W's work so well. But that's why it had a great story of the name. It was listed on Coinbase. It had W's in price. It had W's in relative strength index. All of these reasons meant I jumped in, and then I didn't expect it to happen so fast, but I sold half on a double on the next day. So now I'm sitting on a free position, and if you want to get in, I recommend waiting for it to come back down to the W level, or waiting for it to consolidate and then build another W for the next move up. So that's just a quick video on the one altcoin that has doubled my money in the last day. So I hope you enjoyed that quick little video. Feel free to check out my other videos and the top 10 altcoins that you can buy for 2021. Thank you. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. And the like button if you like this video. I know it was a quick, short one, but I am a bit busy today, so I had to do a quick video. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I hope you have subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.